Hello to the roommates. I'm Luis Fernando Alvarez, and today I really want to share a short video about the IPA, the International Phonetic Alphabet. I'm in ninth grade, and I'm pretty happy about this course because I think I really want to learn a lot. So here I go. So to get started, the International Phonetic Alphabet is made up of three different parts: the vowels, the diphthongs, and the consonants. I really want to try to make the sound of each phonetic symbol, so to be familiar with the sound. So let's get started. Pa, t, ch, z, sh, ka, b, v, da, v, j, z, j, ga, ha, ma, na, n, a, la, wa, j. I, u, e, a, e, o, a, a, I, e, u, ao, ou, ei, I, oi. Now here could be the way they probably sounds in words. I as in we, I as in fit, u as in look, u as in book, I as in deer, a as in say, e as in bed, a as in along, e as in hurt, o as in oat, u as in sure, oi as in toy, a as in so, a as in hat, a as in bought, a as in far, a as in pot, e as in fair, I as in die, ow as in how, p as in pen, v as in bean, t as in tin, d as in did, sh as in chin, j as in gentle, k as in kid, g as in get, f as in thin, v as in very, th as in thin, v as in these, s as in sat, z as in zone, sh as in shirt, z as in pleasure, m as in man, n as in not, n as in win, h as in hen, l as in lad, r as in red, w as in we, j as in yet. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to hear about your comments about it soon. Bye bye.